All right, hello, my oil friends. I'm going to be a little vulnerable here. So, as people are tuning in, I am been doing this Fun Friday every other week, and I'm showcasing what I have, where I have it. So last time it was the oils in my purse, and now we are in my bathroom, and I'm going to show you what products I have in my bathroom and maybe some of the ways that I've been using it. So thank you so much for joining us tonight as we go in. So let me turn my camera around so you guys can see, and you have to apologize, you guys, my bathroom has not been cleaned yet. So I do want to show, though, what's in here. All right, so I'm in my bathroom. This is my vanity. This is where all the magic happens to make me look halfway decent. I'm going to start off really quick, guys, with the oils that I have in my bathroom. So many of you guys had the Mother's Day collection, and so this is great for making perfumes, signature scents. So I have that in here because I'm getting ready. I'll put my makeup on, and then I'll use that. And then I have this really cool oil case that I got from a gift from doTERRA. And this is got my oils that I have here up, so I don't have to run downstairs to get it. And so we have, let's see, we have the Adaptive right here. So this is great for stress and mood, and especially when you're starting off in your day, it's really good to just put it on your hand or over your heart. I use it in my diffuser up here a lot of the times. So it's definitely one of my go-tos there. I have, let's see, lemongrass for when I'm done exercising, and after my shower, I'll usually put that or Aroma Touch on with some coconut oil or some unscented lotion to help with that. And then I have Clary Calm and Black Spruce. Black Spruce has been one of my favorite ones to diffuse. I actually put this on before I go to bed to help with deep breathing. And it's very relaxing and very calming. I also have my Immortelle for spot treatments, like on my face for, you know, those aging spots that I have here. I have my Rose, which I use every night here, as well as my frankincense, which is great for skin. We have my Lucia, which is great for the diffuser, as well as my On Guard. The Correct-X, which we need to use when we cut ourselves or anyways need some repair. That is the ointment for that. Then I have the Slim and Sassy, which I like to put on after my showers. I'll put a couple drops with my lotion on. Sometimes I'll put that on. And then I have actually my bug stuff. This is Terra Shield with peppermint and a roller. And I put that on because I will get ready in the morning and then I'll go work out. So I will go outside in Georgia. You need to always have bug stuff on. So, all right. So I'm going to go over here so you can see some of the products that I use here. I've got the hair glaze, and I have to store it up this way because it's actually very thin. And so sometimes I don't shut it all the way and it leaks. But this is really, really good. It's more of a natural hair product. If you are going to curl it or style it, it's really good to do that as well. And then I've got my On Guard throat mouthwash, my On Guard toothpaste. And this, you guys, is what I use for skincare. So this is nothing fancy. It's actually a combination of the two systems. So I've got my Virage, and then I've got the anti-aging skincare, the essential skincare. So like I have right now, I have the hydrating cream, root to tip hair serum. So this is great for hair health, helps split ends. I have a Yara Palm out here. This is great for your skin. You can add this to your moisturizer. Just get a nice glow. Also helps with keeping your skin youthful. So I'll oftentimes add that to the hydrating cream and then rub that on my face as well. And then this is from the Virage. This is the toner I'm using. I've got the anti-aging eye cream. It's great for the puffiness under the eyes. We have the tightening syrup, which this is really cool. If you guys have ever had this one, this actually works, like insanely works in tightening the skin. And so this is definitely something that I put on to help with that. And then I also have the Immortelle serum. So you guys saw that I had Immortelle in the roller ball. I also use that for the skincare. And then currently right now I have the Citrus Bloom in here as well. So that's just on my counters. Oh, and then I have unscented lotion here. So this allows me to be able to decide what I want on my skin when I need it. So I can just add any essential oil to that and then put it on. And then of course I have my On Guard hand soap. It's scary, guys. I'm gonna show you like all my stuff. Like this is, all right, Serenity soft gels in my bathroom. So if I'm having trouble sleeping, I can come in here and take them. Being vulnerable here, guys, you're gonna see all my lovely stashes here and how I hide everything in the drawers. So these are some of my favorite products I use in my bathroom. We've got the body mist, which right now you guys can get 10% or 15% off on this one. This one has the beautiful blend and it smells really, really good. I also have the mud mask in here, and they had the passion lotion for a little bit. This is almost empty. And then I actually have a lot of containers where I've made my own mixture. So you can see I have some lotion right there that's been made. And this is actually, I haven't used this yet, but this is a foot soak with a eucalyptus and lavender. And I just stick it in here. It's where I store all this yummy stuff. And then of course I have the ER Palm Serum, so I can put that on. And then the extra of the toner here as well. Oh my goodness, I'm really going to show you a whole lot of stuff that's in here. So I have, of course, a lot of the extra hair care products underneath here, as well as the body wash and all that kind of stuff here. So lots of cool stuff, a lot of extra skincare thrown in there. Yeah, and then my dry brush. You guys, you can use your essential oils with a dry brush. And it works really, really good in stimulating that lymphatic system, getting a natural detoxer as well as helping exfoliate the skin. So that's one reason why I have this Slim and Sassy oil here. I'll put that on the brush, and then I'll brush my body and then jump in the shower. So I thought I would just share today, guys, be real with you. What do I have in my bathroom and how do I use it? So hopefully you guys have some ideas of where you place your oils. It really does make a big difference on whether or not you think to use it, because you'll see it. And if I have my Immortelle downstairs or my frankincense downstairs and I'm washing my face and I need it for that, I have to walk all the way downstairs to get it. So placement is a really good key on using essential oils effectively, so you don't have to waste all that time. It's very easy to just grab it and go. So anyways, leave in a comment anything that you use in your bathrooms. I would love to hear what are some of your go-tos in your restrooms and all that kind of stuff. So I'll do another one in a week and a half and on another Fun Friday, and share, I don't remember what it is. I think it's by my bed next. What oils I keep by my bed. So anyways, take care, my friends, and hope to see you on Wednesday's continuing ed classes. So have a good night.